So welcome back everyone to Aaron's Yard, and today we are going to be sawmilling this big crotch log with the Alaskan sawmill. We're going to be using the 395 XP to saw it into 2-inch pieces of lumber, but first I have to cut off this end because it's too wide at the back side of this log. So let's do that. Now let's level this thing up and get the Alaskan on it. So here we have the 395 XP by Husqvarna. This is a great saw. It's like having a dirt bike engine in your hand. It's powerful, big, and it cuts. It cuts fast. We're gonna have it set up with the 36-inch bar. So I got the 36 bar on here. I only run Husqvarna XP fuel through this machine. It's very expensive, but for the warranty and they recommend to use that fuel. So here's the Alaskan mill. It's set up on here, and we should be able to saw through this entire piece with this. And let's see what we get. what it looks like. Nice grain. Wow. So unfortunately it's getting way too hot out here, but this is the first cut. I'm definitely gonna make a couple more cuts out of this, but look at that spiral grain. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? That's a pretty neat. I don't know if that's a crack right there where the saw was, but it's, I don't know if you can see all that. It's a really, really cool grain in there. So that's going to do it for this episode. But if you like this stuff, please subscribe, share with your friends, hit that like, and I'll split you later.